Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another cleaning video for you guys today. It's just a quick one. I will admit I actually ran out of memory on my camera when I was doing this, so it does cut off after I vacuumed the living room, but basically I'm cleaning up the kitchen, putting some dishes away, have some laundry to do, and cleaning up in the living room. So first I'm starting off with the kitchen, which I always like to do. This is the chore that always kind of gets me motivated to continue cleaning throughout the house. So once I have a clean kitchen, I feel so much better, especially putting away the dishes after washing them. We have a habit of washing the dishes and then leaving them there for at least a day. Like, we'll wash the dishes at night and then we'll put them away the next day, but I really feel so much better once I actually put them away. So that's the one part that I don't like. Even unloading the dishwasher I don't like to do either. So this is the chore that I'm starting with, and I'm putting it all away, and then I'm going to do some laundry.
I wanna get in, inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me.
Let me know in the comments how your quarantine is going. Are you keeping your house clean? Are you just letting everything go? I'm kind of doing half and half, but it's not really a quarantine excuse. It's more of a having a baby excuse for me. But I do find it a little bit more difficult because when we first had the baby, people were allowed to come over. So my mom would come over, I'd be able to get some cleaning done while she'd watch the baby type thing. And now I'm just home all day by myself, as Robbie is at work all day, and I just have no help to get some cleaning done. So let me know how you're spending your quarantine.
Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me?
So I always like to fold my laundry on the kitchen table. I find I just have so much more space. We don't really have a laundry room. It's just a closet off the kitchen. So this is where I like to get it all folded. And if I fold it down here before bringing it upstairs, I'm more likely to put it away. If I don't and it gets upstairs without being folded, it will sit in a basket for days and days. So I always like to get it done before I bring it upstairs.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there.
Moving into the living room, I am doing a quick dust and a vacuum. So I am just using my Norwex Enviro cloth to wipe everything down. It kind of kills bacteria because of the special properties in it, but I'll link that below. You have to buy it from a Norwex representative. I have one myself, but you can find one wherever you live. So I'm wiping everything down with that first before I start to vacuum. And this is a new chair. I think I talked about it in the last video. I'm pretty sure it was in the last video, but I love this chair. The only thing is the dogs rub on it, well, more Kovu, so I have to vacuum it every single day. So that's a little annoying, but I do really like it. It comes in handy when it's in the evenings and we're just rocking Cohen to sleep. But yeah, it is a little pain in the butt to have to vacuum it so much because Kovu always rubs on it.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
So like I said, I ran out of memory for this video, so it's about to cut off. But I did finish vacuuming the whole main floor. I did not wash the floors, but I did feel much better after vacuuming, knowing that everything was all clean for the day. So if you liked this video, please like it and subscribe if you're new. I will have better cleaning videos than this one coming up, and I also am starting to do mom vlogs, so my next video will be a mom vlog, so if you're into that, stick around. And I also have some playlists already created of some speed cleaning videos, so be sure to go check those out before you leave, and I will be sure to have a longer cleaning video next time. Thanks for watching.